Mutual funds are one of the most effective investment tools available today. They are regulated, transparent, and easy to start with. For most investors, mutual funds are more than enough. But as portfolios grow larger, some investors begin to feel that something is missing. Why is that so? Mutual funds are designed for a very large number of investors. When you invest, your money is pooled together with lakhs of other investors. Due to funds being pooled on a large scale, strong diversification rules are followed to protect investors and reduce the impact of any single company performing poorly. Because of this, the fund manager must follow strict limits. For example, a mutual fund generally cannot invest more than around 10% of its money in a single company. This keeps the portfolio balanced. But there are always two sides of a coin. Think about the recent fall in the IT stocks. If a mutual fund had exposure to multiple IT companies, the impact would be limited because exposure to each company is capped. At the same time, imagine a company in the portfolio performs exceptionally well and its stock prices doubles. But even then, its impact on your overall return is limited because the allocation to that company was restricted. So diversification protects you from large damage, but it also limits how much one strong performer can lift your returns. Some investors prefer a more focused portfolio where fewer companies can make a bigger difference. That means instead of investing in 50 or 60 companies, the portfolio may hold 15 to 20. If one of those companies performs very well, it has a stronger impact on the overall returns. And this is where mutual funds may not match the needs of certain investors. If you'd like to understand where mutual funds do not fit and what options exist beyond them, stay tuned with this series. In the next video, we'll go deeper into other reasons why that might be the case. For more details, WhatsApp us on 9560 837 100.